no comparison to buying cattle straight off the ranch. It's a lifestyle change.
Top three things that producers, cattle auction does is I can sell them when I need to. I can sell a reputable set of cattle. I'm going to get paid when I sell them. I'm going to have reputable people to deal with. Reps, it's cohesive, it's a team effort from the very beginning.
Well, the three most important things is they reach a wide market. There's a lot of producers, not many buyers. Second thing is, as people of the land, we don't make contacts with buyers. And this is a commodity, and we have to produce what they have. Third thing is certainly working with their staff. They try to put a personal touch to it that brings the buyer and the seller together through a middleman.